Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top Celebrity People. Today we will show you Jennifer Aniston lifestyle biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Jennifer Joanna Aniston is an American actress, producer and businesswoman. The daughter of actors John Aniston and Nancy Doe, she began working as an actress at an early age with an uncredited role in the 1987 film Mac and Me. Her first major film role came in the 1993 horror comedy Leprechaun. If you love this video to the end, then do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Jennifer Aniston biography. Born name Jennifer Joanna Aniston. Nickname Jenny. Best known for playing Rachel Green on worldwide hit TV series Friends. She was among the 6 lead roles in that show. Aniston did a total of 236 episodes for the show from 1994 to 2004. Occupation: actress, producer, businesswoman. Years active: 1987 to present. Ethnicity: white. Jennifer Aniston is of Greek descent on her father's side and has Scottish, Italian, Abruzzese or Albanian, English and Irish roots on her mother's side. Zodiac signs: Aquarius. Date of birth: February 11, 1969. Age: 51 years. Place of birth: Sherman Oaks, Los Angeles, California, US. Nationality: American. Religion: Greek Orthodox, though she does not go to church often. Education: Jennifer attended Rudolph Steiner School in NY and Fiorello H. LaGuardia High School of Music and Art and Performing Arts in Manhattan. Net worth: US $200 million, May 2017 estimated. Manager: Jennifer Aniston is represented by Slate PR Public Relation Agency, Los Angeles, California, US. Lighthouse Management and Media Inc., Talent Management Company, West Hollywood, California, US. Brand endorsements. She has done endorsement work for brands like Aveeno Skincare on 2013, Heineken, L'Oreal, Smart Water, Emirates Airlines, etc. Jennifer Aniston family details. Father: John Aniston, actor. Mother: Nancy Doe, actress, model. Siblings: John T. Malik, older maternal half-brother, Alex Aniston, younger paternal half-brother. Jennifer Aniston boyfriend name. Adonis Limperis is a composer known for NCIS Los Angeles on 2009, CSINY 2004, and Dementia 13 2017. Charlie Splatter on 1990. American actor Charlie dated for a short time in 1990 with Aniston. He was her co-star from the TV series Ferris Bueller. Daniel McDonald from 1990 to 1993. She was rumored to be dating actor McDonald, who is more than the double Jon Stewart on 1994. Rumor: Jon Stewart is an American comedian, writer, producer, director, political commentator, actor, and television host. Adam Duetz on 1995. American musician was rumored to be going out with Jennifer in 1995. Tate Donovan 1995 to 1998. Another American actor. Tate started dating Jennifer in around November 1995 and engaged in 1996, but ended his dating relationship in April 1998. They first met on the set of hit TV series Friends in 1994. Brad Pitt on 1998 to 2005. In May 1998, she began dating American actor Brad Pitt. When they first met on a blind date, she then married on July 29, 2000 in a private wedding ceremony in Malibu. Vince Vaughn 2005 to 6. American film actor, producer, comedian commenced dating in June 2005. Vince is almost a foot taller than Aniston. This relationship also saw an end in December 2006. Matthew Perry on 2006. Rumor: Matthew Langford Perry is an American-Canadian actor, comedian, executive producer, screenwriter, and playwright who most notably played the role of Chandler Bing on the NBC television sitcom Friends, which ran from 1994 to 2004. Paul Sculfor 2007. English model Paul Sculfor has a fling with the actress in mid-2007. John Mayer on 2008 to 9. American musician Mayer dated for a year from April 2008 to March 2009. Mayer is around 9 years younger than her. Gerald Butler on 2009. It was believed that this Scottish actor dated for a while with Jennifer in July 2009. The duo has appeared together in the 2010 movie The Bounty Hunter. Harry Morton on 2010. Rumor: Harry Morton was an American restaurant inventor and founded the restaurant chain Pink Taco. Adrian Brody in 2011. In 2011, Jennifer and Adrian Brody was briefly linked with each other romantically by the tabloids. Justin Trudeau on 2011 to 2018. American actor Justin Trudeau began dating her in May 2011. They engaged on August 10, 2012. Jennifer Aniston unknown facts. Her father is a Greek while her mother is American. Jennifer had lived in Greece for a year when she was a kid. She has two dogs, Dolly White German Shepherd and Norman Welsh Cockney Terrier Shepherd mix. She was born at 10:22 p.m. PST time. In 2002, she co-founded the production company named Plan B Entertainment alongside Brad Gray and Brad Pitt. Some of the company's movies include The Departed, 12 Years a Slave, and The Moonlight. All three of these movies have been received the Academy Award for Best Picture. In her entire career, Horrible Bosses 2 is the first sequel she has ever done. This film has released in November 2004. Due to her loved performances, she has received many awards and accolades like an Emmy Award, Golden Globe Award, and Screen Actors Guild Award. She has given numerous magazine cover appearances. She became the first ever GQ Women of the Year in 2005. She co-founded a production company, Eco Films, in 2008 with Christian Hunt. She is a philanthropist too. She has done charity works and donated $5 lakh to Doctors Without Borders. She joined Instagram on October 2019 and for her first post, she uploaded a selfie alongside her friend's posters. In October 2020, she introduced a new member of her family to her friends, a dog named Lord Chesterfield. On November 18, 2020, Jennifer announced that she had become the Chief Creative Officer of Vital Proteins and would care about the production, innovation, and brand strategy. Jennifer Aniston physical stats. Body types athletic. Height 5 feet 4.5 inch or 164 centimeters. Weight 53 kilograms or 117 pounds. Body measurements 34, 23, 35 or 86, 58.5 to 89 centimeters. Eye color blue. Hair color dyed blonde. Jen's natural hair color is considered to be brown. Shoe size 7.5 US or 38 EU or 5 UK. Dress size, she may be wearing a 4-size dress. Distinctive features, nose and chin shape. Jennifer Aniston professional debut. First music video. Aniston in 1996 appeared in a music video for Waltz by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. It was her first. First film, 1993 American horror comedy film Leprechaun for her role as Troy Reading. First TV show. Her debut TV show was Molloy in 1990. She was the lead role in that show. That television show actually broadcasted on Fox from July 25, 1990 until August 29, 1990. Jennifer Aniston favorite things. Food, tortilla chips, hot coffee. TV shows, bad sex. Cool, color, blue. Accessory, brown cardigan, jeans, shoes. Jennifer Aniston house details. Jennifer Aniston lives in a luxurious house which is located in Sherman Oaks, California, US. Jennifer Aniston social media. Facebook, 14,760,857 people follow this. On Twitter, 260k followers. On Instagram, 35.9 million followers.